Hi, my name is Kelly Brandis. I live in York, Pennsylvania, and I work as an office and physician assistant for an off-site radiation therapy department of a local hospital in the area. I've worked in the clinical aspect of radiation therapy, and I've also now worked in the administrative part of radiation therapy. And through my experience, I see that there is definitely a need for social work intervention where I work. And so knowing that there's going to be some opportunities in the future, I've decided that I wanted to pursue my master's in social work. So that's what I'm doing here. I have very little online experience, so this is all kind of new to me, and I'm a little overwhelmed, but I know that with more practice, I'm going to get better. Just have to keep reminding myself. And I really have enjoyed getting to know everybody and watching their videos. I really appreciate how everybody is being so open and honest and vulnerable. And so thank you for doing that, because it made it a lot easier for me to do this. So thank you. I'm really looking forward to getting into the nitty-gritty of this class and learning social work things and getting past all this technical stuff. So I look forward to speaking and getting to know all of you, and I wish everybody well. Thanks.